Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and today I would like to share with you all how I got an overall 7.5 band score in the IELTS examination with the help of a caster in just 1 month. So I have known him for more than 3 years now. He was my maths tutor during my college years. So I definitely knew his way of teaching and was very comfortable with it, and also knew that he teaches IELTS also. So right after when I finished my graduation, I wanted to do IELTS. So I joined his classes. Like everyone else in the beginning, I was very confused, very scared, didn't know what to expect, but all my doubts were cleared in the demo classes. Sir told me not to worry about anything and just follow his advice, his tips and tricks. Most of the students found the reading task very difficult, but I managed to score 8 bands in the reading just by following his advice and tips and tricks that was provided by him. The writing templates that was provided by the caster helped me a lot in my examination, and overall it was a very good experience with the caster throughout these years. So everyone who is still struggling with the bands and still not getting the score that they are looking for, I would highly recommend that you join the classes and you will definitely get more than the desired band that you are looking for. Hello everyone, my name is Anurag.